Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use EBT card on Uber Eats. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open up the Uber Eats app and sign into your account. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Now, what we want to do is click on Account in the bottom right corner, and then you should see an option called Wallet. Simply click on Wallet and you will be able to see your Uber Cash. The section that we want to focus on is the payment methods section. So click on Add Payment Method, and here you should be able to see the EBT card option or Snap card option. Now, if you don't see it yet, then it means that it's not yet implemented with Uber Eats. However, they are saying that they will be adding it soon. So that's basically how you can use EBT card on Uber Eats. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.